I am now going to show you the fastest and best way to make money with AI in 2025. This video will be a complete A to Z walkthrough, so you'll know exactly where to go and what to do right after this video. If you stick around to the end of this video, I have a special surprise for you, which is a free partnership opportunity where I will help turbocharge this entire process. That way we can both work together and make some money together like a true partnership. Okay, and again, I have no coaching to sell you or courses, so stick around to the end of the video and you'll see it, and I guarantee you'll love it. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Declan O'Reilly, aka the Go High Level Wizard, and I'm an award-winning SaaSpreneur. As you see right here, I've won many different awards in many different verticals, and I've helped scale a ton of businesses. AI is the biggest opportunity I have seen since the internet started. It's better than buying Bitcoin when it was literally $15. You have to get in on it now, though. It's moving so fast and there's so much money being made. You want to get in on it now while it's easy to sell and it's new and there's real scarcity. That's why it's so important that with this video, you act immediately or you will get left in the dust. Just like everyone that has regrets about not investing in Bitcoin, not getting on the internet when it first got started, all these massive opportunities. This is it. This is your call to do this now. So let's jump in and let me break this down so you can have a good game plan and take action. So the best way to make money online right now with AI is by selling AI to businesses that does the work for you. It helps them grow, saves them time, and lets you get paid without having to do anything other than setup and basic monitoring. This is very, very important because as you see right here, the AI is doing the work on your behalf. You sell AI, the AI helps the business, but the business pays you. There's nothing else like this. If you're selling ads, if you're selling SEO, you're selling all these other things, you have to do a lot of work. It's you right here, not AI. And it's a double chain. This is like you're renting out AI to other business owners, but they're paying you. So you can scale infinitely because all your time isn't spent doing fulfillment. AI is doing the fulfillment. This is so important. And another reason why this is different than a lot of these other online money-making schemes is because businesses have much more money, faceless YouTube channels, AI dropshipping. A lot of this is targeting from B to C, business to consumer. And a lot of consumers have way less money. They also don't have a lot of tax incentives and other things that businesses have. You have a much bigger and better pool of people to sell to if you're selling to businesses. And businesses need real solutions, not little gimmicks like creating artwork with AI. It's not going to make you the big bucks. This will. And there's way more opportunity for way more people here. So very important that you understand this, that AI is what you're going to be selling to people, but it's going to do the work for the businesses. And as you see right here, this solves the two core functions of every business, which is money, so getting more leads, growing their revenue, and then saving them time. AI can do both of those things. And business owners pay a premium for time saved, and they pay a premium to grow their business. And guess what? They all do it. AI can do both of them. It's so important that you get this because there's nothing else like this right now. And it's so easy to sell as of making this video. My students have been crushing it because it's just so simple. There's real scarcity around this. It does an amazing job. And all you got to do is sell people. It's so, so important that you get on this now because the whole world is racing towards AI. It is the biggest thing we have ever seen. So you can do your own research and you'll see it's already worth up to, 390 billion. You see over here, 38 billion. The numbers are astronomical. It's going to be crossing $1 trillion soon. Everyone's fighting for it. I mean, you can even see here, read all kinds of articles. You got the EU, you got China, you got Russia, you got United States, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, all these guys are trying to get AI first because it's so big. It is the next thing. It's going to run everything, whether you like it or not. And everyone is trying to fight for it. And the thing is, this isn't just some internet fad where a couple people are using it. These governments are going after this. The power players, if they're going after this, it's huge. There's a reason because it has leverage like we've never seen. And a lot of this money is there for the taking if you're willing to work for it. And that's what people don't understand. It's not a fad. It's here to stay. And there's billions, if not trillions of dollars waiting. Okay. And people are just either sitting back watching and just being bystanders, or you can get in on the game and make money now. So what I'm going to do is go through exactly what you need to be selling and then how to sell it and where to find your clients. Let's jump right in. So these are the two amazing services to sell. By the way, automations is wrapped in this. So an AI automation agency, very similar. But the first is AI chatbots. AI chatbot answers questions, books appointments, gets leads, and does customer support. You can have it do that on the website widget, Instagram, email, Facebook, SMS, WhatsApp, and many other platforms. So many businesses hate having to text, email, do all this stuff. This can do it for you. On the other hand, you have AI voice agents that are answering calls, booking appointments, collecting customer feedback, assisting customers. You can call a lot of businesses. I know like American Express and Chase and some of these bigger companies, their support is fully AI. You're talking to robots on the phone. And it's better than human, and it will guide you through everything, not some cranky person that didn't sleep enough. It's amazing. And businesses want this so bad. There's a scarcity. Like All these businesses want it because whoever gets it can scale infinitely, but there's not enough people selling it. It's crazy. These two things solve so many core problems because I'm going to break this down because it's very important. Businesses already have to answer text messages, emails, DMs. It's a problem they already have. They already have to make sales calls and provide customer support. You're not selling some special widget. You're not selling ads. You're not selling something that they may or may not need. It's something they have to have. Does that make sense? Because you're solving a problem that they're already suffering from. This is way different than any other marketing, any sort of gimmick to grow your business. It's literally changing the fundamental structure of how business works in general. It's mind-blowing. And the reason why so many people are selling this so fast and making so much money is because they're not even really having to have sales pitches. They're just going up to businesses and going, hey, you're already talking to all these people on the phone. Let me save you 3 hours a day by plugging this chatbot. Pay me $300 a month, $1,000 a month, whatever, and I'll set this up for you. There's never been anything like this. I've been in the marketing space forever. It's insane. So to use AI chatbots and voice engines, I recommend using Go High Level. Okay, they have an awesome AI chatbot. They also have awesome AI voice agents. It's by far the cheapest. It's super affordable. It's an awesome platform. I have all my students use this. I recommend everyone to use this. I'm the high level wizard. What do you expect? Using High Level for this. If you already have High Level and you're watching this video, get this stuff set up ASAP. Seriously. If you have High Level and you're not using this, I don't know what you're doing. Get in on this right now. Same with the AI voice agents and start selling it. I get a lot of questions about, I want to sell missed call test pack. I want to sell database reactivation, all these random things. Sell this. There's real scarcity. It's easier to sell and you do less work and you make more money. It's literally a no-brainer. Make sure you get into this. And if you're new to High Level, check this out. Get in this because it will change your life. They've got great AI voice agents, great bots, and they can do all of these things for you. And a final note on this, because I think it's so important, is that you're solving a problem they already have. For the first time in history, you are not enhancing human efforts in the workforce. You're removing it altogether. It's leverage beyond leverage. You can come in and go, listen, Jerry over here, he's manning the phones. He's messaging people. You're paying him $30K a year. Okay. He's got an attitude. He's got complaints. He's annoying. He's rude. You know, all these things. Okay. You're paying him $30K a year. Get rid of him. Pay me $1,000 a month. We'll save you 10, 15 grand, whatever. Do the math. It's a no-brainer. They save money. They get a better service. You make $1,000 a month passively. Like, do you see where I'm going with this? It's just a problem they already have. And then you can just go save you money, because if you can give someone a solution at half or a fraction of the price they're paying that does it better, it's a no-brainer. That's how Netflix destroyed Blockbuster. It was a service that was so much easier and so much more convenient that it just didn't even matter. It was like, yeah, sure, we'll go with that. That's what this is. So get in on this now, please. Start selling this. Ads, all this other stuff. You're not removing anything. This is like legitimately solving these super difficult business problems that they have. And you're the one getting paid. You just have to focus on selling it. So now that you understand chatbots, AI voice agents, where to go to set them up, you can drop a comment down below if you have any questions. We now need to go on where to sell this and how to sell it to start getting money. So here's a list of ways where you can start getting clients today by using this process. That way you have your outreach out. You just need to reach out to people. You don't need any fancy pitch deck or sales techniques. You just got to get in front of a starving crowd, which this is what it is. So the first option is cold emailing. That's just blasting emails out to a list. Cold calling, that's picking up the phone and calling businesses. Social media outreach, that is going to a business's profile and DMing them. Content marketing, that's building any content online. Webinars, setting a pre-recorded video that solves a problem. Referral systems, getting other people to send you clients by giving them a little incentive. These are very powerful. Paid ads, you can literally run Facebook, Meta, Instagram, YouTube ads to collect people. Expensive. Well, that's a bit of a farther out strategy, so I wouldn't recommend it in the beginning. Networking events, BNIs, Rotary, Chamber of Commerce, local stuff, anything like that. You just walk in, tell people about it. So easy to get clients that way. Influencer partnerships. This is partnering with media companies, influencers, people that are in front of an audience you like. And then from there, you just connect with them. They send you clients. SEO, search engine optimization, ranking your website higher on Google so you can get some of that traffic. Partnerships with other businesses. This is like maybe going into a business and putting business cards in, getting some sort of way for them to refer you, maybe a video on their website. Video marketing, think YouTube, direct mail, literally like writing letters and sending it in the mail. This can be very powerful, very old school, but with old school tactics, no one does them anymore. So they hit really hard. Cold SMS messaging, be careful with this one. A lot of people get punished, but very powerful. Business associations, get into an association so they send you clients and leads. One of the most powerful yet hardest ways to do it. Warm outreach. This is hitting up the homies, the people you know, your power base. Walk-ins, this is just walking in cold to a business and selling them. For a pitch, you really don't need a whole lot of a pitch. All you need to do is go in Okay, and be like, hey, man, I can solve this problem you have right here. Let me do it for free. Get a free trial. It's simple because this is a problem they already have. You're not having to convince them to run ads. You're just convincing them to save time. Much easier. And by the way, I have a video of how to use ChatGPT to get thousands of free leads. I recommend you go watch that. If you're confused on how to get leads, you can get completely free. Like video is completely free. Recommend it to everyone. That way you can get all of your clients and leads, and then you can decide what you want to do with them from there. That's all you need to do. You need to just start. You just need to get your chatbot ready, and then you need to use these exact methods to start selling business owners. Okay. You can drop as many comments as you want. If any questions, I'll answer anything. And a big thing too, I want to go over is that businesses have more money than individuals. That's why I recommend you sell to business. A lot of people are like, Facebook YouTube channel, AI content creation. Sure, but A, you're going to get outdated soon. B, you're not going to make a lot of money. It's only the 1%. There's so many businesses in the world. I mean, just in the United States alone, there's 32 businesses. All right. And there's probably more that we don't even know about. And that's just the United States. The world, it's like a gazillion businesses. You have an ocean to sell to. Businesses have more money than individuals. They have tax incentives, they can get loans. It's just a different game, so they can spend more money. That's why this is the business model you need to get into if you want to make money and help people. It's a win-win. You feel good about yourself and you make a lot of cash. So many businesses to sell to, and these methods are amazing. They work so well. So last but not least, I just want to break this down because I think it's very important. This is the last thing I'm going to say before I go into some partnership opportunities for you. There is massive demand for this. Every business needs this. You are entering a market with real scarcity. And by selling AI that does the work for you, you get your time back. Think about that. You get to go on vacation, relax, sleep in, whatever you want, which you can put right back into getting more clients. So you can either relax or just double up on clients, which just means you scale and make money way faster. It's a powerful cycle. By doing a good job for the businesses, it gives you the opportunity to help them further, which means more and more money as they need your solutions more and more. Think upselling. You can continually just help them with more, better, new. Give them more stuff because they need it. That way you're just making more money off the people you already have and getting new people. It's a very virtuous cycle. If you can get businesses on AI now, they will stay with your solutions, having you grandfathered into the system so you can potentially get paid forever. This is also by far the cheapest and fastest available option right now to make either full-time income or as a side hustle. I'm telling you right now, just take it from a vet. So many of these online money-making schemes with AI take so long. If you're trying to do AI crypto, you need a bunch of money to play with. If you want to make real money, if you're like, hey, crypto trading bots, you need a lot of money to make money. If you want to make $5 here and there, sure. You might lose a lot too, so it's very dangerous. AI content creation, that's faces, YouTube channels, all this AI sort of content. It takes forever to warm up. It's also so saturated. So many people are doing it. People have become very rare. Also, the algorithms are banning a lot of AI content because it's unoriginal. It just doesn't work as well. Any of these other things require really expensive software. They require you going in and doing all this stuff where it takes forever. This, so fast, so super cheap. You could use high level or one of these other softwares. Doesn't cost you a lot, and then you're done. You don't need all this other fancy stuff. You can sell to businesses today, and there's gazillions of them. It's so simple. You don't need to buy anyone's coaching program or their course. You can go online and learn. It's so easy. Just watch my free YouTube channel and learn. It's that easy. Again, this isn't like my opinion. This is just fact. It is so cheap and it is so much faster. And you're also helping people. Creating AI content doesn't really help people. Let's talk for real. It doesn't really help people. Helping business owners make more money, save more time so they can help their loved ones, grow their business, impact society, that's doing real good. You're making money and doing the Lord's work, which is very important. As you see here in this final graph, you're basically selling AI to businesses. They're paying you. Once AI is doing the work, your whole job is just to sell more businesses. AI does the work, boom, you get paid. It's just this cycle of you selling, putting in place, AI does the work, you selling, AI putting in place. It's the same thing again and again. That way you go in, and from there, all you're doing is continually going into this virtuous cycle. You're just going through, just ringing a cash register. Again, it takes work. I'm not gonna lie, you don't just get on here and click buttons and get rich, but it's so simple to do. You just have to be willing to put in a little work and you're golden. Again, you don't need to buy anyone's course. You don't need to buy anyone's coaching program. You just need to get started. That brings me to my last and final point, which is my free partnership. It's a video I'm gonna link at the end of this video so you can check it out. You'll get access to me one-on-one. You'll get access to all of my trainings to master high level, master AI, all of this amazing stuff. You get access to a private community. You get access to live streams every single week, access to strategy sessions, access to all of my marketing materials and other amazing stuff like that. And if you do a really good job and I can trust you, okay, so this is not a promise, but if I can trust you and I see that you do, I will do further collabs with you on paying clients. I will gift you paying clients and free leads if I see that I can trust you and a whole bunch of other stuff, which no one else does online. It's amazing. But that's something that I do because I have a lot of off flow from my agency and leads I can't handle. And I like to help people I trust so we can both make money. The partnership is amazing because we both win. We both win. And again, it's free. Just check it out. Watch the video. Let me know your thoughts. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'm here to answer literally anything. You can say whatever, I'll answer it. And I just really look forward to seeing you crush it. And again, don't get left behind. Like, seriously. And there's going to be a lot of people that in 5 years are going to be like, why didn't I do this? Like, why? I'm such an idiot. Don't be that person. Take advantage of the situation. Build generational wealth. And people just sit back and they just wait. By that time, the opportunity is gone and life moves on without them. So please check that out. That's the end of the video. I appreciate you watching. And as always, Go High Level Wizard out.